So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to solve a Leetcode problem, merge interval. So in this question we are giving array of intervals, not a single vector. We are giving vector of vectors, so it's like 2D vector array of intervals where intervals of I is start and end. So saying intervals of 0 is the position of zero element of this array. It's like 2D vector. So first row this contain n elements, second row contain n elements, third row contain n elements, like wise n into m. So we have to merge all overlapping intervals and return the array of the non-overlapping intervals that will cover all the intervals in input. So what this question says is, let's try to understand with an example. So this question says is we are giving intervals 1 3. This is interval. This is zeroth interval. This is first interval 2 6. Second interval is 8 10, and fourth interval is 15 18. So we are giving four intervals. So what we have to do, we have to merge all how, like if 3 is in so 1 3, then 2 6, so these are overlapping now, so they will merge 1 6, then 6 is not in this way, so they are not overlapping, so 1 6 is the answer. Then check 8 10 8 10, 10 is not in between this, so 8 10 is, and okay, 15 18, so this is the output we have to return. And so in this question 1445, so this will overlapping, so they both are merged, and final answer is 15, so we have to return this output. Okay, so first I am making how to return the answer. We have to return vector, so vector int answer. So this is the answer we have to return, and also find size of the vector. So I am using, but the size of the integer VLS intervals of sizes. Now what thing I am doing is, if you want to add this way, then what we can say that one thing we can notice that if it is sorted, then this is easy to merge. If it is sorted, like how is sorted? There is three ways. There are many ways of sorted this, but what I am saying is, the first element of all of the intervals is sorted, then we can say that this is sorted. Then we can compare these things, if it's overlapping or not, it's overlapping or not, we can check by one. So firstly what I'm doing is I'm sorting all the first elements of the interval. So sorting intervals, now we sort the array, so it looks like this same. And now I'm running a loop till, so I'm I'm running a loop till 0 interval to n minus 1 interval. So I is 0 and I plus plus 0 to n interval. And now what I am doing is I am firstly storing the first interval last point somewhere. So I am making a vector, temp vector. Now is but INTRVALS interval 0. So it's storing first interval, and also a value which you have to check. So temp of 1 is containing last element of first interval. Like if we take example of this, like if we take this example, then it's containing 3, and the temp containing 1 3. Temp 0 is 1 and temp 1 is 3. So this thing, and now this like answer is empty. Answer is empty. So we say if, when we have to push this, this is if answer dot no, nothing like that. Then what we have to do, we have to we push first element in the array in the our answer our these are storing now. We have to check if this is line between these or not. So for that, what I'm doing is if what I'm doing is if it's not zero, it's one. Because zero is covered in this portion, so starting from this. So if what we have to check is if it's 3, if that 3 is lesser than this 6, then we can definitely say that this is line between, then these are overlapping, otherwise they are not overlapping. So if, and firstly what I am doing is I am pushing this answer, so answer dot push back 0. So is it intervals of 0. Now what I'm saying is if this value is lesser than, if its value is, yeah, if its value is lesser than intervals of I1, if this condition lies, then what we say that we have to change our this temp, we have to change our temp one, we have to change our, yeah, we have to change our temp one to maximum of either 3 or either 6. So 3 is the value and 6 is intervals of I1. Yeah, we have to change our temp one, and if it's not so, then what we can do, if it's not, then we have to push this into the answer. So answer dot push back intervals of I. So yes, let's see if there is some any errors or not. Let's try run this. Run this. Saying there is line 25 words. The normal function does return a value. So saying no and void function does not return a value. Okay. So saying we have to return something now. So it's saying how this, once we get wrong answer, and what's wrong. You think your output is 1 3, not 1 6 or this or this. Our answer is 1 3. So, 4. Okay, so it's not merging. It is 1 6. So let's check what's wrong. First we have did is we have make a vector answer. It's correct. Then the size, then we are sorting basis of their first value. So intervals, we can intervals, and this will sort based on first values. Then we push first 1 3 in the, then if it's overlapping, then we have to change 3 to max of these two. So I is 1 less than I plus plus, so I'm starting from this 2 to 6, then 8 10, then 15 18. Okay, now I am, let me say if it's push, then use I will 0. Okay, now what I will do is vector in temp is interval 0. So I make vector, I make vector temp nothing but interval 0 temp store what, no, it's not interval 0, it's interval I. That's the mistake. It's interval I. Yeah, our output 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, 10. It's not merging. Okay, let's see how why it's not merging. Temp is interval I. Temp is 2, 6. That value is temp 1. So temp 1 is 6. Value is 6. Then if saying 6 is lesser than intervals I1. Saying and both are same, like if value is 4 and then this 5, yeah, so if it's 5 5 then also I think overlapping is less than equal to, I think so. Let's check this. I am changing temp 1 to max of value of intervals icon. Okay, so this will not right. Okay. So yeah, to change the reference of this ampersand temp. Now this will change the value of 3 to. Now also the answer is wrong. Saying 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, 10, 15, 18, 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, 10, 15, 18, and is 2 is 8, 1, 4, 4, 5. So it's not merging, but it's doing correct. But it's not merging them all. If it's overlapping, then it's not merging. So what's the wrong with this? Let's say that if it is I make a vector in temp intervals I, then in value temp 1. So this temp stores intervals I, so intervals 1, 2, 6, then temp store what 2, 6, then value store temp 1, so 6. Then saying if 6 is lesser than, no, if 6 is greater than this, if 6 is greater than this, then you have to merge. Oh, that's the mistake, I think. See, if value is equal to 6, intervals I is, oh, but we have to check first. So intervals I, okay. Hmm. How will you ensure that you have to check what 6 and value is, so there is problem like where do you 0 1 we want initial we want 0 1, so if it's an interval 0 then 3, so what we are doing is time containing 6, the value containing 6, 10, 18. So what we want is this will one step backward than this, then we can check. So I'm saying I am pushing interval 0 in the answer. So answer containing interval 0, so answer containing like 1, 3. So 3 now. Then we can say answer, then I have time value. Same thing. I think these both these values are same. Now. Value and intervals I1 are according to the same value. Yeah. This is I and this is 1, so this is I1. So what you can do is the solution of this problem. We have to first these values, then I think not intervals I we can use answer dot back was in the last of the answer. I think let's run this. Was in the last in the answer. There is some command answer dot how to get what's last in the vector double 2D vector. So vector int tab answer dot find. using vector dot back give that. Vector dot back. So this will run correctly now. This will give vector dot back, so it will give 1 3. That is storing 3, and then I'm saying this 3 is greater, not greater. If this 3 is lesser than this 6, then to merging, otherwise don't do merging. So yeah, one test case is running successfully. This will, yeah, so it's merging now. It's merging 1 4 and 4 5 buses, but the test is 1, or answer is 180. It's merging this one. Let's check what's wrong in this now. So we are running to land. We are pushing 0. Then saying answer dot back is nothing but 3. Term is 3, and saying 3 is lesser than the 6. 3 is lesser than the 6. Then what we can say, we are modifying this term 1. So but push is 1 3. Then we are modifying this 3 to max of this 3 or 6. What is max? Value is 3. Value is 3, and intervals I1 is 6. So max is 6. So it's modifying 1 6, and we are pushing. It's 1 6. Then it is 1 6. Then again I is 2, and it's saying answer dot back. Answer dot back is 6. Then it's checking value. Value is 6. Then it's saying 6 is lesser than I is 2 1. 2 1 is 10. 6 is lesser than 10. No. 6 is lesser than 10, but it's also greater than 8. I think it's greater than this, then we can merge. I think it's not the correct logic. If it's greater than this, it's greater than this. If this 3 is greater than this 2, then we can merge, I think. And we have to take max of this on this, I think. Now this will run perfectly. See. Now case 1 is running, but not case 2. Why this error is coming? So it's running perfectly, but it's not case 2. But case 2 saying 1 4 4 5, then it's not merging. Let's see. I think it's same. So see. Yeah, both test cases reading. Now submit this. Let's see what's the output. Yeah, it's accepted. So this is the problem of merging two vectors intervals, and this is the solution. Thanks for watching.